So the question is, have you ever used a portfolio in applying for a job, and how was the process? Also, do you have a Vitae? I do not have a Vitae. I don't know how to even pronounce it. Um, and I've never used a portfolio in applying for a job. And I'm not exactly sure how this is going to work, because when you apply for counseling jobs, normally through Edurn, for example, um, that's not something that can be included. Um, so I'm really confused about it, and I'll be completely honest. I haven't been able to go through it. That's one of my goals for this weekend, so that I know what everybody's talking about by next class. It's just been a rough start with working full time with field work and figuring out all the other assignments. But I've not used it, and I guess I'm gonna have to look up Vitae because I do not know what that is. And I've never really heard of anybody using a portfolio, so I don't know why we're doing one, but it's part of the process, and we have to do it in order to graduate. So